let you experiment with it later on. We'll copy this into a new layer, go like that, and we'll bevel it. We'll bevel it like this, I guess, because I only want one rivet here and one there. Let's see, this, yeah, this will be have one rivet here and one there as well. I think those are too close. Also here, those are too close. So yeah, not a fan. I'm just going to cut that out, delete, paste back in, and let's see. I'm not sure if I can use point normal move if these are just there, so to speak. Let's try point normal move. No, it's moving inwards, so that doesn't work. I guess what I need to do then is, can I use Polygon islands in that? Perhaps, let's see. Scale. No. The problem with Polygon islands is that these needs to be attached to something. So, okay, I know what to do. I'll go like this and cut that out. Undo, undo. It doesn't want me to undo. I don't know what's up with that. Why the... Yeah. Expand selection man, and delete and paste back in. There we go. Still got some of these guys that I need to fix. I think I just want to place these guys in another layer. The thing is, I want these points here to move down here, and I think a problem is that I can't really use a fixed offset, because if I do that, you'll see that it merges them in an angle. It doesn't merge them in a flat horizontal way. So maybe, I guess I could use the snap drag tool. I'm wondering though, could I select? I never ever do this. Well, I guess I could do it manually as well. Okay, I'm just going to try this. I don't think it will work. I'll take the top ones first and then the bottom ones. I do not think it will work, but you know, who knows. And then merge with a fixed offset. No, didn't work. So I'll do it manually. I'll weld those, these, those, and so on. Paste them back in. Gonna take these guys here. No, that should actually be just exactly like that. Okay, so actually done. The next thing is simply to have this guy in the background and smack it on to these guys here. Let's see. Yeah, let's just try that. We'll do that by using place mesh. Multiply place mesh, and with a numeric populate. I was wrong. Let's try that again. Take these guys, place mesh. That could actually have been right. If you wanted to place it in the middle of all of these guys, that would have been right. But I want them on the points, populate. Okay. Cool enough. So that's, yeah, pretty close really to what I want. Yeah. You know what? I went the wrong way about these guys. Maybe these guys as well. Might be a better method out there. So select everything connected and delete. As for these, is that in the right angle by the way? Yeah, okay. So as for these guys, yeah, they're double as well. I could use merge with an offset of 1 millimeter, but you know, I'd rather just fix it manually, I think. So delete those. Okay, that's it, I guess. You can just select that surface and cut it out and paste it back here. And that looks all right. You can also go other ways about it. For example, I'm not going to get too much into it because I could use, you know, forever how to show it forever. No, that's it's late at night. Yeah, it could take forever to show you different ways to go about it, but let's just show you this, and that is use the make pole tool, and then after having done that you can use subdivide. You cannot use subdivide on n-gons, that's why we need to use the make pole. So if you do that, then you can go like that, and having done that you can, let's see, Shift Z, merge polygons. No, that's not gonna work. Maybe, let's see, construct. Is it this one? No, it is this one. Yeah, kind of. So if I select the points now, no, that didn't work. Okay, I'll have to go another way about it, I guess. The point is, I got lots of points. So I can select that the open edges and convert that to a point selection. So now you'll have rivets placed not only here and here, but also in the middle. be an idea to merge the polygons. So we only got this stuff. So you got a ribbon here, 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 and so on. So maybe you want to merge those guys. Again, subdividing will not work unless you use a make pole for that. You can also use, for example, a connect tool. After having used the connect tool, you could just triple it to see what's going on, so you get more points along that edge. Yeah. I think that's the only way, really. Yeah. There's no easy, there's no fast way of doing it, but I guess it kind of works. So there was a plugin, but it never got released. Maybe it didn't work properly, I don't know. So you'll have to do this manually, or maybe it's another application beginning with B that could pull it off. Not impossible, but yeah, anyway, this is the way, the LightWave way.